Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name is Matthew, and in this video we're making pastry cream. I have a medium pot, and to it I'm going to add 5 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of flour. We'll whisk these together. To this I'm going to add a half a cup of sugar. And then to this I'm going to whisk in 2 cups of milk. And to this, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to turn the heat to medium-high and slowly bring it to boil. I have 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to stir that right in. What am I gonna do with my pastry cream? Make eclairs. And there you have it. That's how you make pastry cream. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. And before you go, make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.